It's your boy Straight Paper. I got the bonus on Wild Quick Hits, man. One of my favorite games. What is it, a $2.50 bet or a $2 bet, max bet, man? Let's see what we can do, man. They hurting me tonight, man. I'm looking for the straight paper, man. For sure. Oh, I don't need none of those. Oh, where's that? There it is. I got it. 20 free games, man, times 3. I knew it was somewhere. Now we looking for the straight paper, man. Let me get that. Need that. Come on, man. They being brutal. They being brutal, man. They being brutal. 14 more games left. I'm gonna stop this next one. Oh, I tried to. It wouldn't stop. Okay. Nice little line hit right there. Nice little line hit. Ooh. That was a nice little line hit right there for $65. Like that. Come on, I need another one like that. Come on, let me see some quick hits. Let me see some quick hits in that thing. Okay, I'm gonna stop the next one. Okay, I like that. $30 on a scatter. I'll take it. Oh, almost a re-trigger. Oh. Straight paper. Oh. 3 more games left. Ooh, this thing acting like it want to re-trigger so bad. Ooh, $104 bonus on quick hits. I mean, wild jackpot quick hits. Yeah, that's what it is. Back up spin. That thing was going dummy. Okay, couple back. Okay, give me 3 more then. Ugh. Okay, $48. 5 quick hits, man. That's straight paper, man. We back up at them. Come on, man. Couple more spins and we out this thing. We can't give it all to them. They trying to get it all from the kid, man. They trying to get it all. Couple more spins. Last spin. Alright, that was my little run on quick hits. Wow, jackpot, man. Like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Straight Paper. It's your boy Straight Paper. I got the bonus on Playboy. Let's see what we can do. Don't want that. Don't want that either. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be 10s or 11s. Okay, I like that stop. Okay, I like that. One shot with it. Okay, it ain't there. Well, it must be there. Oh no, it ain't there. It must be there then. Oh my God, where is it? It's gotta be over here. Oh, 7. Oh, they was right. Okay. We missing. We'll take it. 7 free games. It is what it is. I'm looking for the straight paper. You know what I'm saying? That was a nice little $50 hit right there. We'll take it. Give me some more. I like that. Do it again. 2 games left. Okay, $52, man. We'll take that all day long. Let's take a backup spin. Okay, take another backup spin. Oh, let's do some crazy things over here, man. Alright, that was Wild Playboy. Like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Straight Paper. It's your boy Straight Paper. I got the bonus on Tong. I don't know if I should take the 6 free games or the Lock It Link feature. I'm gonna take the Lock It Link feature this time around, man. Go and lock it up for me. Okay, we got 3. that thing. Let me get it. Oh, I didn't like that one. Come on now. Drop where I can get you. Oh, that was it. See what we got, man. Did we reach straight paper land? Oh yeah, we definitely reached straight paper land, man. Yes, sir. That's how we do it, you heard? I'll take it. That was straight paper on Tong. Let's take a backup spin on him. Let's take a backup. Oh, $209 bonus. Let's take a backup spin. I was about to say, do it again. Take it down to 200. Couple more spins. Last spin, actually. I ain't going over that. They gave me. Okay, I'll take one more spin. They did me in. Alright, like, share, and subscribe. That was the bonus on Tong. Straight paper. This your boy Straight Paper. I got the bonus on Dancing Drums Explosion, man. Look at here. I wish I could get that 249, but it is what it is. You know, we don't play with it, man. We go 3 games. Oh, they want me to come down here with it? Okay, straight paper then. You know what I mean? Oh, do I got a pan out for you guys? Oh, I got additional games. Let me pan this thing. Okay, my bad. Let me try to pan this thing out for you guys. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. There it is. Got a re-trigger. 6 games. Okay. $18 line hit. Let's go. I got 6 games. Come on, show me something good. 3 more games left. $24. Okay. Show me something good, man, on the last one. Come on, man. Okay, $144. We'll take it. That's straight paper. We got 1 spin left. The drums won't close, but we'll take it. I had to pan out. My fault. It is what it is, man. It's your boy Straight Paper, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Last spin. Nothing. Okay then. Yes, sir. Do your dancing drums thing. You know what I mean? Pull it back in for y'all. Y'all know the drum and all that. Okay, $285 bonus. Let's do a backup spin. I felt like it was coming. I felt it coming. Backup spin. Oh, it's acting dirty, ain't it? It's acting dirty. We're gonna take it down to 300. Take another $5. Okay. Come on now. It ain't loud. Okay, I like that. Close that gate. Come on now. Keep me in the game. Yeah. Come on. I need the dancing drums. Explosion. Straight paper. Oh, it closed. It closed too. They closed. Let's see what we can do. Jackpot upgrade. Okay, they upgrading the jackpots. Yeah, the 249,000, man. That's what I need, man. Okay, let me pan it back out for y'all. See what we can do. This, cause it's a big machine. I don't want that. Okay, I got the gold miner. $55. They ain't want me with it. They didn't want me with it. We'll take it.
Anything to drink?
I'm all set. Couple backup spins. Couple more backup spins, man. We gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Come on, give it to us. Straight paper. Okay, let me bump y'all back in so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, take it down to 300 again. So they want to pay us. Let's see, want to pay us again. It's acting like it want to pay us again. Why is it acting like it want to pay us again? Straight paper. Yeah, show yourself, somebody. I'm going to get copyrighted about that James Brown, big copyright. It is what it is. Okay, that was the last spin on Buffalo Dancing Drums Explosion. My bad. Like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy, Straight Paper.